Joining us now is Patricia Gautier. She's the General Manager of Moderna Canada. Great to have you on the program, and I'm sure everyone would be happy to get any third shot. But last month, the CEO of Moderna said that the effectiveness of the existing vaccine is not at the same level for Omicron as it was for Delta. You saw that impact the Moderna stock prices. Are new studies showing that Moderna is effective against Omicron?
So we are pursuing a three-pronged approach at Moderna. The first piece of the puzzle has come yesterday. So we now have data that shows that a mRNA 1273, so the current vaccine we have at 50 microgram, which is the booster approved by Health Canada, increases your antibody titers significantly after a third dose. The message here is that a booster dose will increase the protection. We are also studying the same vaccine that we have here in Canada at a 100 microgram boost. We'll have data next week on this. And we're also pursuing a multivalent, two multivalent vaccines that were developed to anticipate mutations to the virus, such as Omicron. We will have data on this as well next week. And finally, we're developing a vaccine specific for the Omicron variant of concern.
Right.
And data should be coming later on this.
Okay, so you're saying people might have to get a third shot and then even another new shot? So is there an anticipation that Canadians are going to get 1, 2, 3, and then there's going to be yet another vaccine that we'll have to take, a fourth?
I think what we know right now is that a third dose, a booster shot, really brings your protection level back up to a very significant level. So I think that the key point here is that the first line of defense is to get your booster shot. What we are doing in parallel is assessing if we need to develop a future or a different booster shot for the future. I think this pandemic has taught us a lot of things, one of which is that continues evolving. We continue to need to adjust, and we really want to stay at the forefront of science by anticipating different scenarios and preparing accordingly.